Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will click on above here and you will search about the application of TikTok and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.